Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, Nate's Heart Attack Dip. He's my store director at the store I work at, so you know, he's my boss. And he was talking one day about this dip he makes for whatever, football games, baseball games, whatever, and it sounded freaking delicious. It's a little crazy. We're gonna do it. That's gonna be next on Cooking with Corey. Stay tuned for deliciousness. Alright Nate, I hope I do this justice. Our ingredients for the day are an onion, hot rotel, some garlic, some beans, pork and beans, whatever of your choice. I chose a maple bacon one. Cream cheese, a couple Romas, a whole block of Velveeta, a jalapeno, some chili of your choice in the can. 1 pound of ground beef. Super Saver got a little hefty on that one, so it's 1.29 pounds. We'll use that though. Just keep around a pound. It is what it is. And pepper flakes, and a lot of people have asked about my pepper flakes, and this is what Jen got me. It's a wonderful thing. We will be using the green ones today, and this has got a dark and a smoky, and it's got a 4-pepper blend and the Hatch Valley green. So that's what we'll be using today. So that's what it looks like. That's where it's from. So you know, if you guys want to look that up online, get you one. That's how it looks. All right, let's get cooking next. All right, what we got for Chop-O-Matic today is 1 jalapeno, which I have halved and taken the seeds out. A half of a bulb of garlic, 1 small white onion. You can use more, use less. 2 Roma tomatoes, which I skinned down the side. So this is what you end up with. You get rid of a lot of the seeds and whatever when you do it this way. So no seeds. There's going to be a little seeds here and there, but it's what it is. That's next. Chop-O-Matic. Time to get to work. Alright, now's the perfect time to get our Instant Pot going. Hit saute. We're going to let that sucker warm up. And we'll be good to go here in a sec. Let's get her going. We got our Instant Pot set to saute. Just give it just a little hit of oil. Move that around just a smidge. Just take our pound of ground beef. Get that going in our Instant Pot there. And start breaking it up. Oh yeah! Sound of deliciousness right there. Means it's nice and hot. We're cooking stuff. We're not steaming stuff. Right, let's give this 2 minutes. Be back and we'll add some stuff to it. Alright, we're still rolling along here. It's been about 2 minutes. And we're sauteing away in our Instant Pot here. It's about time to add our garlic and our onions to the mixture, so we're going to get that in there. Get them all in there. Let it blend with the fat in that ground beef. And one other thing we need to do, we need to add a little salt this time. Nice heavy pinch of kosher salt in there, and fresh cracked pepper. Always use fresh cracked if you can. If you can't, yeah. Not the end of the world. Adds a lot more punch, you don't need as much. Alright, so we got our onion and our garlic going on in there. I'm going to give it one last little stir. We're going to roll on for 2 more minutes. Alright, we have been going on for 2 minutes, so let's add some more of our pepper flake, and like I said, we're using the green ones today. You can use regular pepper flakes, it's not going to matter. Let's add 1 tablespoon for a mix here, and what we're going to do, we're going to stir this in. Alright, a minute has went by, and we're going good here. Let's add our pork and beans. Whatever of your choice. This is what I'm using today. Use whatever you want. That whole can in there. That whole can into your Instant Pot. Oh yeah, get her over. Give it a nice little stir. Our rotel. If you don't like hot, don't use hot. Use mild, or just use canned tomatoes. 1 can goes into the mixture there. Give it a good stir. Our chili. I'm using this Hormel chili. Use whatever chili you want. 1 can. Use the hot. You make it extra hot. I put those pepper flakes in and I taste it, and I'll tell you what, get a good pop. So this is nice and spicy already. Right, get all your chili out of there. Right. Now give that a good stir in. Looking good. This recipe for my boss Nate, you do in a crock pot for 2 hours. We're gonna try to do this for 7 minutes in our Instant Pot and see if we can pull this off. All right, we got all that deliciousness in there. All right, let's go in with our whole block of Velveeta. Boom. And boom. Yeah, and our cream cheese, which looks rather delicious at the moment. All right, let's give this a stir in. Got it all stirred in. And now, like Nate said, he likes to add the tomatoes and the jalapenos towards the end of the cooking process. Doing this in an Instant Pot under pressure, I don't know if it's going to make a difference, but we'll see here. So that goes into the mixture. And it's looking good. So give it a nice little stir, everything going. We're gonna reach around and we are gonna stop the saute. And we'll be back. All right, we have stopped the saute on our Instant Pot, and we're gonna go under pressure here shortly. We're gonna do one last stir here, and we're gonna add 1 can of water, the Hormel chili water. 1 can of water to the mix. Whatever can you got there. I think that was, what was that? 15-ounce can of water. And give that a nice stir. Get it all incorporated in there. Get it going good. All right, we will lock and load next and give this a little pressure cook. All right, time to lock and load our pot. Lid goes on. As you can tell, we'll pressure cook. What we're going to do is do this for not very long, so we don't need to do it very long. Let's just do it 5 minutes. All right, going to come up to pressure, and we'll be back. We are preheating. As you can see, our pressure's getting up there. About halfway. 5 minutes. We'll see what happens. All right, folks, I chickened out. I only did it for a couple minutes because I thought that might be too much for it. So, and there we go. It's a good looking dip. Nate's heart attack dip. My boss's dip. All right. Let's let this cool a little smidge before we try to eat that, because that is hot as all hell, so to speak. All right, 1-2 minutes. You don't even need to do it. You could have done it in saute mode, melted the stuff. You would have been fine. But 3 minutes tops if you're gonna do this in the Instant Pot and on pressure. So there you go. All right, let's plate this bad boy next. All right, here we go. We got our chips around here. 5 minutes actually worked really well on that. That's exactly what I done, and it turned out well. You're gonna have to let it cool down a little bit. It is hot as bejesus, so gotta let it cool down a little bit. But this is what you're gonna end up with when you're doing your Nate's heart attack dip. Look at that deliciousness right there. And actually the tomatoes and the jalapenos still got a little bit of a bite to them. The chili has ran throughout, and I'll tell you what, it's a good dip, delicious dip, And obviously we know why it's called what it is, because it's definitely not that good for you. But deliciousness. 5 minutes under pressure, you'll be good. It worked for me. Everything's fine. So I was a little worried about it, but I put it back and it's good. So here we go. Here's our dip right here. You guys all see that? Oh, that's burning the heck out of my hand. All right, it's good stuff. So there you have it. My boss's Nate's Heart Attack Dip. Give it a shot. Good eats. Actually great eats. Really good stuff. I'll be eating the heck out of this tonight. I taped a couple XFL games, so I'm gonna be eating some Heart Attack Dip and watch some XFL and drinking a Busch Light or two. All right. Thanks for watching Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. We'll see you next week.